Hey guys, today we are playing VR on the trampoline with Alex W. Doug. Oh my god, I just went to click Animal Company. I clicked it. Guys, oh my god. Okay, what code do you want to join? Okay, bro, I'll create a code, then you join it. Bro, I'm gonna lag out. Oh, guys.
Bro, I'm really sorry, bro.
It's
better if I do it in a no PvP.
Oh my god, guys. Whoa. Bro, guys.
Somebody donate.
I'm playing VR on a trampoline. To everyone in my server, I'm playing VR on a trampoline.
No.
Do you believe
Nobody's
me?
in your server, bro.
Guys,
I'm playing VR on a trampoline right now.
No, going to.
Baker!
Bro, why am I playing VR on the trampoline? Wait, guys, why do I do this stuff for you? I bet I get a subscriber for this. I'm literally playing VR on the trampoline with Alex. Like, come on, guys. Come on, why did you do this? Whoa.
Hey, sir, do you want me to do it?
I'm enjoying the scale. Yeah. Okay, I'll create a code. You join me in Animal Company.
Wait,
Yes, just join me. Wait, are you friended with me? Okay, then just join me. Just join me, bro. Okay, I'll tell you the code. I'll make it an easy code then. Fart 69. Okay, then VBNM. It doesn't matter.
No, don't take the big one out. Don't take the big one out. Warning, don't take the big one out.
People dupe that, you know? People have dupes like 200 of those, right?
Okay, guys. Alex is just doing his intro. Remember, Alex code VBNM.
Anyone trading?
Yeah. Guys, I swear I'm probably gonna fall. Bro, if somehow Animal Company VR watch this, could we get a camera app in the game? Like a camera mod? Let's Gorilla Tag add one. It's super cool. I love it. Oh my god, it's so weird, right? Woo. Okay. Okay, VBNM. Whoa. So you're not in the game yet? Whoa. Bro, you're gonna give me a headache. Can you stop bouncing? Bro, can you stop bouncing? You're gonna give me a headache, actually, bro. You're gonna give me a headache. Actually, bro, you're gonna give me a headache. We're gonna get some quick money, guys. I don't have that. Okay, he's logging in, guys. I wonder if they can hear you. Whoa, I wonder, do you think they can hear you? Like, whoa. If it does, it really doesn't matter if they can't hear you. Okay. Wi-Fi connection probably isn't. What? It's just like normal for me. Okay, VBNM. Just go to the bottom right of the computer. Yeah, it's at the bottom of the computer. VBNM. I'm good. La doo dee la doo da. There he is.
I'm in. Hello, what's up? Okay. Hi, what's up?
Hey,
Hi.
I'll get you some stuff. I'll get you all the stuff you need to go mining. Oh right, not mention to you guys, we're going mining. Oh.
How do you put stuff in your backpack, then you can pull it out? How do you do that?
I'll show you.
Little wham, bam. I bought a lot of stuff. I got this.
Wait, give me a second.
No ammo. I have explosive. Weapons. Oh,
What is this?
bags. What's that?
What is this?
Gadgets. Look at this.
What? What is this?
What's this?
I don't know, bro. I guess it's just a random backpack I found.
Wait, how do you put stuff in a backpack, though? That's my question.
You just take
How do
it, you press B to hold it, then you drop it in.
You're lagging out for me. Guys, he's lagging out for me in the game. So you just press
Yeah.
it in.
Wait, you have to open it first by pressing A.
Okay, I did that.
Okay. Let's get our mining equipment. I'll get you a grappler. I probably am. Oh, bro, did you disconnect or something? I didn't. You frozen? You're frozen. So what's gonna happen to you? I think my Wi-Fi is good. I don't know what's wrong. I don't know if that's a thing, but okay. Okay. We're gonna make some money, guys. Make some quick, hardcore money. If you didn't know, you probably know this. You just drop it here. No, guys, I took my grappler. Bro, Alex is just messing around as his usual self. Bro, guys, we don't get it when we come back, dude. We need a heart gun, right? Bro, what are you doing? What is my dog? My dog's freaking out, guys. Yeah, my dog's really mad that we're on the trampoline. He doesn't like it when we're on the trampoline. How do we like magnetize onto something? Is it blue? Bro, stop bouncing. Actually, stop. Bro, stop. Yes, okay. Need the red thing. Okay, guys, I think we're ready this time. Guys, we're gonna do this. We're gonna get some good money, guys. Get some good money. Yeah? Alex, do you want colony? Yes, please! What? Yes, please! Yes, please! Yes, please! Yeah. Thank you. Okay, guys. Oh my god, we blew them immediately. So, guys, I think I would actually be able to do this if Alex wasn't bouncing me. And by the way, it's not like he can't stop bouncing. He can. He could do that very easily actually, but he's not. Actually, bro, stop. Yep. Guys, what's happening, guys? Oh my god. my God, something's happening. It's so weird. Okay, I'm good. I'm just gonna play around with you. Actually, here's a heart gun. I'm wasting money. Right, it's right here. I'll tell you something.
You're frozen. I dropped it.
So if you press it by pressing B, you can pick it up. You're lagging out again.
Oh no, not. What do you mean you're lagging out?
Oh, you're good.
We're
Okay.
good.
I'm not lagging. You're lagging. You know what happens when you have a heart gun? You can press blue and red. Red like magnetizes onto stuff, and blue like launches you. But can I tell you what happens when you use the heart gun? You lose health. You lose health. Whoa. He's bouncing again, guys. Bro, Mid Horizon's gonna be easy because it's not a movement game. It's like a joystick game where you use your joystick. Animal Company's gonna be so easy for you if you don't. I don't know what's happening, guys. We're gonna go into a public lobby. We're gonna do no PvP if that's okay with you guys. We're connecting. There we go, we're loading in. There we are.
We shall check.
Can anyone give me a grappler?
Guys, that was a failure.
Can I get that? Can I get that?
Brother!
Can someone give me a grappler?
Can someone give me a grappler? Shut the fuck up, I asked first.
Oh, shut your bitch ass.
Can someone give me a grappler?
It would be easier if you weren't bouncing.
I just met my dog.
Can I have your grappler?
We're gonna wait for it.
Man. Some guy gave
Okay.
me. Plus, I really need this.
I got you.
Can we just...
Thanks.
Oh, frick. Why don't we just do this? Who cares? We didn't get... What's happening, guys? I just want to get it.
Bro, you got the egg?
No,
Yo,
it's a giant
You'll
egg.
bring
I
a
put
back and a flashlight.
Dude, does anybody have a ray gun I can...
Yes, it would. But we're on the
Or, you know, the
trampoline
pink
for this
stuff,
video.
the purple stuff.
That's the point of this video, Alex.
Bring a flashlight.
What do you think this video is about?
Oh, sorry, I did it.
Playing inside. Alex, we can't play inside like normal people. We're too better for the normal people.
Yo, can you...
We have to play on
So how am I gonna get up
Can I
there?
trade this giant egg?
Okay?
Dude, can I have a ray gun?
If not,
Dude.
Bro, did you show what I look like in real life? Great. Better not.
Can I have a ray gun? Anybody? A ray gun? Just one.
Okay. Hey guys, I'm playing VR on the trampoline.
Yo, can I have a ray gun though?
Wow. I told him an interesting fact about myself that I'm playing VR on the trampoline, and all he has to say, "Can I have a ray gun?" If you're gonna do that, at least butter me up by
Hey,
saying
can you
loud.
jump on it? Jump on the trampoline.
Yo,
No, I'm not gonna stop bouncing.
yo. You're actually doing pretty
Do a front
good.
flip on it.
What?
Yeah.
Who wants to
You're doing
trade for?
pretty-
Who
Bro,
wants
I'm wearing a
to
VR.
trade
Do you think I'm gonna do a freaking front flip?
No, I can do a front flip on the trampoline, just not land it.
Hey,
I
you
just,
want-
like,
you
go
want-
like the
you
wall.
want this and another revolver for this grapple?
Let me tell you something. It doesn't count as a front flip if you don't land it.
Who wants to go to the duplicate machine?
Half a
I'll
front
come.
Wait, what did
I
you
want
say?
to come.
Well, can you buy me a grappler?
Yeah, yo, bro. What about you? You want to come? Cause I want.
I want to come.
hear you. What did you say?
I want to come. By the way, I'm playing on the trampoline right now.
hear you. There's a bunch of
I need somebody with an OG item so they could go.
I'm playing on the trampoline right now.
Okay. Why?
I'm playing on the trampoline right now.
Okay.
You're playing a trampoline.
Yeah, I'm playing on the trampoline.
So, bro, you want to play?
And I'm recording a video of someone, and they keep bouncing. So could you like make my life a bit better? And please let me come to the duplicate
Bring a
machine with you.
flashlight.
But dude, I just got scammed by someone. I got scammed somebody for trading
Bring
for
a flashlight.
Let's go to the duplicating machine, bro. I'll follow your lead. Let's go.
But you know, I want to flash my backpack back because somebody scammed me when I was trying to trade.
Okay, bro.
somebody.
Let's go.
Okay, Herbert.
So I need
I
to flash my
flashlight
backpack.
Go to a search if anyone wants to
I'll
come.
give you a flashlight, bro. It's just a flashlight.
With one grappler.
Here's a
one,
flashlight. There you go.
I'm coming! Look
Can
at
you
me!
bring me one grappler, please?
Look at me!
Okay, bro. Let's go. Let's go to the duping machine, bro.
There was no duping machine.
The duping machine where you like get the colors.
Bro,
Yeah,
let's
that's
go. You
not a
said you were gonna
duping
go to the duping machine, and now you're just like,
Does anybody want to dupe?
you lie or something? Let's go to the duping machine.
So let me get to mine first. Let me get to mine.
You a scammer?
I might bring all
Like a
Are you the scammer?
Here, get yourself a backpack. Get yourself a backpack. So like you could.
Guess how much research points I have?
What if I don't want to get myself a backpack? How about that, Stephanie?
guess how much research points I.
Yep.
Because you're definitely paid away. Like
Okay, bro. Where are you?
No, I have 20.
I'm here.
Oh, I knew it.
Got a
Oh,
backpack.
you're paid
Let's
to
go.
win.
No, I'm not paid.
Now get yourself a backpack full of you know.
Nah, bro, it's over. It's
I
over
don't
for
know.
this
Full of
generation.
what?
Get
I
a bag
don't.
full of junk of items.
No, I'm
Get a
good.
bag junk of full
Do I have
items.
to?
Dude, with the flashlight, where did you
If I
go?
don't want to, huh? If I want to put it full of junk items. What if I don't want to? Can you put it back?
Where did you go? I shot sewers, dumbass.
Dang it.
Use your
I
fuck.
feel like you could put it back.
Who wants to go? Oh, who wants to go explore with me? If you do, go to
Yay.
the computer.
Blue, would you like to donate? Blue, would you like to donate?
Yeah, soon, wait.
We're gonna double this.
Don't take
Okay, you ready?
I'm ready. Yeah, I'm coming.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, let's go.
Hey, come here, bro.
You're gonna have to. No,
Let's go, bro.
You know what?
Let's go.
I need the junk of these items.
Not this one, bro.
I need a person that has an OG backpack. Because I'm gonna need them.
I do.
Me?
Blue,
Oh my God,
I have
I'm
every
gonna
single
back.
energy back.
Well, guys, I think we're gonna end the video here. It was nice seeing you, and let's close this video out by showing Alex W Duck.
Bro, 20 more turns, please.
Bro, let me quit. Let me quit. Bro, let me.
Yeah, we're gonna
Holy
need this for our test.
Bro, they're not gonna get to see you if you don't stop bouncing.
That goes like
Okay, and now you can see Alex W Duck. Money talk. Anyway, bye guys.